everyone, my name is Jonathan and today I'll be sharing with you 4 proven ways to build wealth. If you are new to my channel, welcome. This channel is all about sharing some of the business lessons that I've learned over the years. Hopefully this will really help you. If you are part of my community, it's always good to see you back. So let's dive into today's topic right now. 4 proven ways to build wealth. Now the first way is basically by working. All right, by working. So this is basically trading time for money. All right, trading time for money. Now, most people, they actually work for somebody else, and this is where big bulk of the people are at, right? They actually trade time for money. They have a paid salary, regular salary every single month. All right. So what happens is that there are only 2 ways to actually paid more by working. What are the 2 ways? All right. Firstly, you can actually work more hours. Or what you can do is that you can actually develop more skills. All right. So these are the 2 ways you can actually make more money by working. All right. Now I'm going to share with you the second proven way to actually build your wealth. The second proven way to build your wealth is by selling. All right, this is a way where you can actually make a lot of money right through sales. All right, so there are 3 ways to actually make more money by selling. All right, what are the 3 ways? All right, firstly, you can also look at how good you are. At closing. All right, the second way is you can look at the size of your commission. Okay, the third way is you can look at the price of the thing you sell. These 3 things, right, determine how good you are at selling. These 3 things will actually determine your income when you actually make your wealth by selling. All right. Now I'm going to share with you the third proven way to actually build wealth, and that is by owning assets. All right, by owning assets. So these are ways where you can actually own assets that are income producing. So what are assets? It could be, for example, stocks. It could be, for example, properties, right? Example would be stocks, properties, etc. Okay? Now, the 4th proven way to actually build wealth is by lending. All right, by lending. So you actually make money through interest income. All right, so these are, for example, like your banks, your VCs, your venture capital. All right, so let's recap what are the 4 ways to actually build your wealth. The first way is by working, where you are trading time for money. All right, the second way is by selling. If you want to sell, you can actually make a lot of money by being a high ticket salesperson. Now the third way is by owning assets. All right, and the 4th way is by lending. Now the whole idea, right, is that you want to transit from working to selling. All right, so these are basically 4 ways to build wealth. I hope that you enjoy this content. And for those of you that are interested to work together with me, all you need to do is to fill up the application form below and our team will reach out to you. All right, comment below and let me know what you have learned today, and I'll see you guys in the next video.